Well, every bit of my journey is rewarding, but the most rewarding part of my journey so far is the privilege I've had to have a field trip to agri-tech companies and food companies across the UK, where I was able to see how theories in classroom translates to practicals to solve real-life problems. The learning environment here in Cranfield is very conducive with state-of-art facilities, and the teaching style is a unique one in the sense that there is a unique blend of theory with practicals needed to solve word problems. I'm currently involved in a group project that focuses on understanding the sustainability of tea and coffee production among Kenyan farmers. This project has really built my skills and managerial experience needed to thrive in a work setting. Cranfield careers and employability teams are really doing a great job by organizing workshops and several programs and inviting industrial experts where students have the opportunity to establish prior rapport with potential employers even before graduation. Life at Cranfield in general is inspiring. The facilities are up towards standard and state of art, and as well these facilities enables us to conduct research to provide solution to what problems. Mutual respect, community, and focus.